to unlock, just unscrew. You have your coin mechanism right here. Your coins will drop in here. You have your coins where they add up. To load your bottles, just drop into here. There's divider plates in here. And then once you load everything in here, on the front of this door here is your reset right here. That'll allow for you to open up your dividers here. You have your fan and your compressor down here, and this is your temperature control, how cold you want everything, and it activates when you close the door. It'll kick your compressor in.